Are you tired of sporting a scraggly, unkempt beard? Do you want to impress your friends and loved ones with a majestic mane of facial hair? Well, you're in luck, my bearded brethren. This is Beard Care for Beginners. What you need to know. First things first, washing your beard. You wouldn't wash your luscious locks with dish soap, would you? Same goes for your beard. Use a beard wash that's specifically formulated for facial hair. Because let's face it, regular shampoo is for the birds. Next up, beard oil. This stuff is like liquid gold for your facial hair. It'll keep your beard moisturized, nourished, and as soft as a baby's bottom. Just a few drops, and your beard will be thanking you. Now, let's talk about combing. Yes, I know. You're a rugged, manly man who doesn't need no comb. But trust me, your beard will thank you for it. A comb will help you detangle your beard, keep it looking neat and tidy, and prevent any pesky knots or snarls. Plus, it's a great way to show off your superior grooming skills. And finally, trimming. It's like giving your beard a haircut, but way cooler. Whether you want to rock the lumberjack look or the suave gentleman style, trimming is key to keeping your beard on point. Use a quality pair of scissors or clippers, take your time, and remember, measure twice, trim once. Congratulations, my bearded brethren. You are now officially a beard care expert. Follow these tips and your beard will be the envy of all your friends and foes. Thanks for watching, and stay bearded, my friends. Don't forget to subscribe to the Gentle Manual for more men's lifestyle content. Until next time, keep it rugged and refined.